Welcome to Pep English channel. Today we are going to talk about types of degrees. An adjective of quality changes its from when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Let's see what is positive degree. It is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Example: the cat runs fast. Second one is comparative degree. It is used to compare 2 objects, people or places. Example: the cat runs faster than the dog. Third one, superlative degree. It is used to compare more than 2 objects, people or places. Example: the cat runs fastest of all animals. We add er and est to most 1 or 2 syllable words that end in consonants. Example: old, older, oldest. When positive ends in e, we add only r and st to the adjective. Example: large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and add ier and iest. Example: funny, funnier, funniest. When the positive is a word of 1 syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add er and est. Example: fat, fatter, fattest. In addition, we add more and most before the adjectives to form comparative and superlative degrees. Example: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. We use then with a comparative degree, use the with a superlative degree. Example: the red car is fast. The blue car is faster than the red car. The yellow car is the fastest among the 3 cars. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparative and superlative from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. Example: good, better, best. Here you can see some examples for better understanding. Rose is tall. Mary is taller than Rose. Jessica is the tallest of the 3. Catherine is sad. Lily is sadder than Catherine. Peter is the saddest of the 3. James is strong. David is stronger than James. Harry is the strongest of the 3. You can start using these examples in your conversation. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Loud, louder, loudest. Young, younger, youngest. Cold, colder, coldest. Big, bigger, biggest. Safe, safer, safest. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. High, higher, highest. Slow, slower, slowest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Small, smaller, smallest. Little, less, least. Angry, angrier, angriest. Rich, richer, richest. Happy, happier, happiest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Long, longer, longest. Near, nearer, nearest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Late, later, latest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Please subscribe our channel to watch more videos.